Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I just got 2 Pokemon things from the store. One of them is not on brand, and this one is an actual on brand Pokemon, what should I call it? This is a on brand Pokemon package. Like, this one is official from Pokemon, so I don't know which one to start with first, but
which one you gonna start with first?
This one. Start with the off-brand Pokemon one. Okay.
The reveal. Let's see what he's got in there.
Okay, so I got this Galarian, I don't know how to say that. Full heal, rusted shield, and energy. Groodle, I don't know. Riolu, Burmity, Staryu, Executor, Clink, Dini, I think.
Cubchoo?
Duskull, and Farfetch'd.
Any of those good?
I don't know.
You don't know? Figured you'd be the one that would know.
Just gonna put these back in the thing. And then got it, okay. So here's the pack. It's Brilliant Stars. And then you've got this big coin that has, I always forget the name of it. This is Ivysaur, I think. And then Flappy. And then
Flapple, it looks like.
Then the code card.
All right, let's see. This is where you're gonna get the
Now,
good stuff in this pack. Ooh.
Got the pack. Got the code card. Then got the trick. Okay, a sidekick energy. I don't even want to say that. I don't even know how to, like, what does that say? I'm just,
What does it say?
it's,
Marnie's Pride?
yeah. You just got this card from the other one. Barry.
Who's Barry, huh?
Dini, Chubchoo, Duskull, Farfetch'd, Execute, Lapras, and Word Demand.
Looks like it says Warm Atom or something like that. What does that say? Any of those cards good, Nathan?
No, but like I just got like these same exact
You
cards.
got like 4 or 5 of the same exact ones. What's going on with that?
I don't know.
Anything you want to say at the end of your video?
No, not really.